Okay, hey guys, 2 weeks ago I did this glitch, but then I just never got the chance to report it, but Gunner did it again, and I was able to do it, but let's see if I can do it. Real quick, okay, Fatality, get out of the way. Alright, you gotta get all the way back here, then flow jump, oh wow, but you can flow jump and get on top of the thing and inside of it, and it's without using the landstalker fly. See, someone just did it. Hold up. See, look on that. See, now I'm inside of it without landstalker fly or anything. So, see you guys next time. Alright, hey guys, cHiDoRi figured out this glitch probably like 2 days ago, but it's a high spawn in the air, so watch. Feel it, wee. It spawned all the way up here, and it's like a weapon pack up there. Hold on, I'm just gonna see if I can get on somewhere for fun. But he discovered this glitch, at least I think that he did. Oh, I got right here, but yeah, it's pretty cool. That glitch is from cHiDoRi 4122. So, yeah. See ya.